What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the new colors that's supposed to come out for the 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack and Hellcat Widebody. I haven't seen a lot of videos talking about the different colors that they are supposed to be releasing for the 2020 Widebody. So I just wanted to do a quick video kind of going over some of the new colors. And the first color we're going to talk about is the cinnamon stick. Now this color right here, it kind of reminds me of the Go Mango, but it's a little darker. It seems like it has some pearl in it a little bit, so it might be like a pearl color. And I think it's going to look pretty good on either one, Scat Pack or the Hellcat. But we gotta wait and see. So, and the next color is Frostbite. Now this color right here is the one that we already saw with the when they did the commercial with the Widebody Hellcat. It's okay. I prefer the B5 blue or the indigo blue, but this color is okay, but it seems a little dull to me. It doesn't really excite me when I see this color on the Hellcat. Maybe if I see it in person, it would change my mind, but right now I'm just not really feeling this Frostbite blue. I think it should either be the indigo blue or the B5 blue. So, but again, I just have to wait and see it in person to really make my final decision on whether or not I like this color. But right here it looks okay, but when I saw it on the actual Hellcat, it was okay, but I wasn't really feeling it. So I'm still a little on the fence about this color right here. So I haven't seen it on the Scat Pack, but it's the same body, so it's probably gonna look the same way on the Scat Pack as it does on the Hellcat. So gotta wait and see it in person. All right, this next color is Black Eye. Now I like this color right here. I think this is gonna look pretty slick, especially if it has those flakes in it, like the pearl flakes, like in that Sublime green Widebody Red Eye that I did a review on my last video. If it looks like that, where it sparkles in the sun, this color right here might be the one, the Black Eye. I think that's gonna look real slick on the Hellcat or the Scat Pack. I think this color right here is gonna be the one, but we just gotta wait and see. So the Black Eye, I would definitely look forward to seeing a lot of people buying one with the Black Eye color. All right, the next one is Burnout Gray. Now, I definitely gotta see this color in person. On the computer, it kind of looks white, so you can't really tell how it's gonna look. So that's one of the colors that I definitely would have to see in person. Let me know what y'all think about this Burnout Gray. It doesn't even look really gray to me. It looks a little white, like off-white, but the color is Burnout Gray. Gold Rush. Now, this gold color looks to be pretty tight. I know they had the yellow Scat Pack, and they also had the yellow 5.7. You can get the Daytona. I'm really feeling this Gold Rush. This probably is going to look pretty slick. Something different, kind of stand out. So I definitely got to see that one in person as well. All of these colors, we won't really be able to, you know, make a decision on what we like and don't like until we actually see them in person, because it's kind of hard to tell on a computer, but at least we got an idea what the new colors are going to be. So those are all the new colors that that they have released so far. I mean, you never know. I'm pretty sure they're going to come out with some different type of black or some different color white. But right now, those are all the new colors that I'm aware of. Leave your comments if you know of any other colors that I missed. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick video letting you guys know about some of the new colors that they are releasing for the new Widebody Hellcat and Scat Pack, because I haven't really seen any videos people talking about the new colors. But don't hold me to all these colors. I mean, this is the information that I got. Leave your comments. Let me know what y'all think, how y'all feeling about the new colors. To me, I think we won't be able to really make a decision until we can actually see the cars in person and put your eyes on them. You know, when they're in the sun, you can kind of see the pearl coat, the clear coat, you know, with the wheels and everything. Then you can kind of make a final decision on what color you like the most. But so far, I want y'all to comment down below what color you would pick if you was buying a 2020 Widebody. I personally want a black one, or maybe a B5 blue Hellcat. If this is your first time joining my channel, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I got another review coming tomorrow, so hit that notification bell so you can get notified next time I release another video. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.